So we have downloaded our buildings. Let's just see our building one by one. We are going to put these buildings in that area. Let's just bring that whole prefabs like that. Actually, its size is too big. So to do that, just click on that FPX model and go for the model and just click on the scale factor to 0.5 something like that and just go for the apply. Now you can see our size of the building just got smaller. So I think it's good. Maybe we can little bit change it like to 0.4 and go for the apply. Yeah, now it's good. Okay, just go for the buildings. Here are the buildings. Just go and make it to prefab unpack completely. So our buildings are just unpacked completely. Let's just move the down a little bit just to see every building by close view. And just take the building out from here like that. Just click on that building and see which type of building is that. So we are going to these buildings in our game. So we are going to set that each building we want to how we can set this building properly. First of all, just click on that building, just place it here and rotate it with 0 degree. So it will like saying it is having an issue. Let's do that. Okay, let's just make a 90 degree of right angle. It is facing towards the road. Just add that building beside the road or a little bit down like that. Make sure it is not in the air and it is not also in the ground like that. A little bit leave the space from the road